I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm in the foyer of Unit 1203, a northeast corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Foyer is wide enough to accommodate a hall console table or another piece of furniture. Coat closet off to the left. Stacked, front-loading, full-size washer-dryer with space in the laundry area for shelving, something you don't always find. Continuing into the unit, you see the plank flooring that continues throughout, high ceilings, and if you like a park view, you're going to absolutely fall in love with this unit. Kitchen has side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, a 4-burner gas range, glass tile backsplash, built-in microwave, wide farm-style sink, and of course the dishwasher. You have contrasting white and espresso stained cabinets and both gray and white quartz counters. We look at this view. It's magnetic. Looking north toward Weiss Hospital, looking out over the field house at Clarendon Park, over Lincoln Park to Lake Michigan, out to Montrose Harbor. And if you're a sports lover, you have tennis courts across the street, full-length basketball court across the street, baseball and softball fields, field house, there's a playground, you have a soccer field, you have a football field across Lakeshore Drive and a running track, a harbor, of course, the 18-mile lakefront trail, the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course. It's fabulous, and in addition, you have a great suite of amenities in the building. There's a huge rooftop pool deck, a nice-sized fitness center. Heading into the guest bedroom, second bedroom, it's larger than you're going to find in most 2-bedroom units, and it's widely separated from the master, split bedroom layout. You have a flange wall here that gives you a view out toward Target, the CTA station, a short walk to the west. Julasco is just a block west. The guest bath has access from the bedroom and from the hallway. There's a rain shower head, soaking tub, quartz counter, designer lighter framed mirror. Heading back toward the master. Again, you have windows on 2 walls, one facing east, one facing south. In effect, you have 4 exposures in this unit, northeast, south, and west. That is really unusual. The park view here is just dazzling. Heading toward the master bath. It's an oversized room, 2 banks of drawers and a wide vanity. Frameless glass door in the shower, which has a rain shower head, and the same lighting that you saw in the guest bath. Lots of stories to tell here. Great amenities, appealing location, but the big story for this unit is these dazzling views out to the park. Can you imagine watching a storm roll in over Lake Michigan? Watching the sunrise in the morning? You really want to put this one high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.